Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day countdown towards the Further Maths GCSE. So yesterday's question was to show that x minus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5x minus 4. And then we're going to use our answer to factorize that fully. So the first step is we're going to use this to show it's a factor. Now what we do there is we look at the sign here and reverse it, and we substitute it in. So we're going to substitute in x equals 1. So when x equals 1, we're going to have 2 lots of 1 cubed, 7 lots of 1 squared, take away 5 lots of 1, take away 4, which equals 2, plus 7, take away 5, take away 4, which is equal to 0. Therefore, a factor. So that's kind of the first part we're doing. The second part was hence factorize it fully. So we know that x take away 1 is one of our factors. What we're actually going to do is sort of reverse grid method. Now we know we're going to have some lot of x squared, because to get our x cubed, we're going to have x times x squared. We're going to have some lot of x and some lot of a number on its own. Now we know what our value for x cubed is, and the only way of making that x cubed is by doing the x and the x squared values being multiplied. So the only way we get it is inside this box, which means we can then work out the coefficient of this x squared here. So x times what gives us 2x cubed? Well, x times 2x squared. Now using that, we can do this box here with minus 1 times 2x squared. So we're going to get minus 2x squared. But we know that our x squared value here has to be positive 7. Now we got minus 2, so we know this bit here has to add to minus 2 to give us 7, which is 9. So here we got 9x squared, which means this top number has to be 9. Our bottom one down here is going to be minus 9x. But we know that this one and this one has got to add together to give us minus 5. So what do you add to minus 9 to give you minus 5? You add 4. So this bit in here has got to be 4x. So we know the number at the top has to be 4. And then minus 1 times by positive 4, that gives us minus 4. That's our check box. So we have got x take 1, 2x squared plus 9x plus 4 by using our values from the top here. But that isn't factorized fully, because we've got to factorize this second bracket here. So we need to now factorize. So if we do it side working down the side of our page, we need to factorize 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. So I'm going to do it with slide and divide. So I'm going to slide this over, multiply, so that turns into x squared plus 9x plus 8. We're going to factorize this. So what multiplies together to give me 8 and adds together to give me 9, well, that'll be 1 and 8. But this isn't just 2x, sorry, it isn't just x squared we're making 2x squared. So we shove a 2 in both of these. But we got a problem. We've times by 2 here, so we're going to have to do the opposite. So we're going to have to divide one of our brackets by 2. And the only one that divides nicely is that second one. So 2x divided by 2 is x, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So if we put that back in, we're going to get x minus 1, 2x plus 1, and x plus 4. So today's question, the function f is given by f of x equals 2x squared plus 1 with the domain 2 to 5. State the range.